Okay, everyone, ready? Let's go. Hey, lion, can you tell me what do we get when we multiply 2 by 3? 2 is even, and 3 is odd. Let's think. Yes, it's 6, isn't that right? Yes, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 is even too. What a nice fix. Now tell me this, let's make it great. What do we get when we divide 8 by 2? 8 and 2 are both even true. So what will this answer do? That's easy. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 is even like before. What if we multiply 2 by 8? Even times even, isn't that great? Put them together, what do we find? Give the answer that comes to mind. 2 times 8 is 16, an even number, neat and clean. Can you divide 10 by 2? 10 is even, and 2 is 2. What do we get? What's the score? Let's say the number and nothing more. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Odd but correct, it's come alive. How about this? 2 times 5. Can you tell if it will survive? 2 is even and 5 is odd. Answer it now with a lion's nod. 2 times 5 is 10, my friend, and 10 is even in the end. Let's try 6 divided by 2. Both are even, yes, it's true. So what's the answer we should see? Tell it loud and proud to me. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Odd and right as it should be. Now tell me, what if 2 meets 7? Even and odd, does it go to heaven? 2 is neat and 7's wild. What's the answer, clever child? 2 times 7 is 14. Even and sharp like a math machine. Here's one more before we're done. 12 divided by 2 sounds like fun. Both are even, clear and fair. What's the answer waiting there? That gives us 6, can't go wrong. Even again, let's sing along. Final lie or divide by 2. Even or odd will guide you